How to use Google Maps for public transportation. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to use Google Maps for public transit, you can go ahead and open your Google Maps application. And on the bottom, you have this Go section. So in your Go section, you will actually be able to see different ways that you can commute. And you have your home as well as the other addresses that you might have saved. Now, if you want to look for public transit, you can go on ahead and drop a pin to a certain location. Let's say it's this location over here. And let's say I want to go into this location like so. Now, once you click on this particular icon, you will see on the bottom you have information as well as directions. Now, if you click on directions, so if you click on directions over here, you will be able to see directions from your car, bike, and then over here, you will see a option for a bus. Now, the bus is actually your option for public transit, and this will be updated, and you can click on the top right of options to enable buses, trains, as well as any other mode of transportations that might be available. So you guys can see currently there is no public transit available to this particular location, but in this way you can choose a public transit that is available. Plus you guys can see now it's showing me 2 hours and 14 minutes with public transit, and if I click on directions over here, you guys will see the different public modes of transportation that are available for this particular location. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.